I'll tell one story, like imaginary story. There was a person who was in a village, so in that village, he was living very happily actually, very happy. गांव में, and he was a farmer and young man. He was assisting his father in farming. रोज सुबह he would get up, आराम से get up, then he would take a bath in the river. He would go to the farm, spend some couple of hours there, come back, then शाम को बैठ के आराम से कीर्तन वीर्तन करते थे. अरे I had nice prasad and sleep early, get up early. एकदम very peaceful, nice sattvic life. And then one day what happened was somebody from the village, somebody from the city came to that village. Now this person had not really seen too many city people. He had not seen. And he looked at him and he said, yaar, kya style hai yaar. Matlab, hair was nicely gelled back and he was wearing, a nice shirt and trousers crisply ironed. And, his face was, looking very makeup करके अच्छा लग रहा था. So when he saw him, he felt attracted. He felt कि यार कुछ तो है इनके शहरी वालों के, कुछ रंग ढंग में कुछ अलग है. I should also go to the village. So he tells his father, I want to go to the village. I want to go to the city. Father tells him, मत जा बाबा, इधर सुखी है ना, क्या problem? Why you are going? Everything is there for you over here. Why are you going? No, I must go. Look at how they are enjoying. We are not enjoying like that. देखो गाड़ी में घूम रहे, मजे कर रहे हैं. हम भी जाना चाहते. I want to go. So then he goes. When he goes to the city, in the city, he, as they say, जैसा देश वैसा भेष, right? So he wears the city covering. His village body gets covered by a city covering. शहर का शरीर उसको आ जाता है. And in that शहर का शरीर, suddenly things which were not affecting him earlier, they start affecting, right? He sees, he sees the city women and he becomes lusty. He becomes very lusty when he sees the city women. Then after struggling, he starts working somewhere and then he hears from somebody that अरे ये gambling सत्ता में ना बहुत पैसा है, you can make lot of money, right? Or through shares, by investing in shares, buying, selling, देखा अरे इसने करोड़ों कमाए, इसने तो अरबों कमाए शेयर से. So he becomes very greedy. He feels कि there is a easy way to earn money यार, मैं भी करता हूँ. He becomes greedy. Then he sees less hard working. He is working like a donkey now because after having come to the city का भेष, सिटी के भेष में तुम गांव का काम नहीं कर सकते. You have to work like a donkey. So he has started working like a donkey. But he sees that there are some people in the city who are not working so hard. But yet they are successful. वो लोग दूसरों से काम करवाते हैं लेकिन खुद बहुत पैसा कमाते हैं. So he starts feeling what feeling? Envy. He starts feeling envious कि अरे मैं इतना मेहनत कर रहा हूँ, I'm not earning like them. Look at them, how happy they are, how big house they are living in, big गाड़ी घूम रहे, ये वो. He becomes envious. Then when he's working, he's insulted by his co-worker, by his bosses. And as a result of that, he becomes frustrated and angry. His peace is gone now because he's envious of others, he's lusty, he became greedy, then he feels envious of other successful people. Now when he sees he's insulted by other people, he becomes frustrated and angry. When he gets little bit earnings, through his hard work, कुछ पैसे कमा लेता है, just about उसका खर्चा निकल जाता है, बाकी गांव भेज देता है. He becomes proud also. He feels कि मैं सपोर्ट कर रहा हूँ फैमिली को, यहाँ रह के भी, शहर में रह के भी अपने फैमिली को मैं सपोर्ट कर रहा हूँ. He becomes proud. And like this, he remains in illusion. These are the 6 story of the 6 anarthas of our life. This is how we come into this material world. The village is our spiritual world where we were living very happily, very peacefully. These anarthas did not touch us there because we were satisfied. वहाँ पे एकदम खुशी खुशी रह रहे थे हम लोग. But we came to this material world out of envy. We felt that, that person seems to be enjoying so much. Here Krishna is enjoying, there that person is enjoying. Why I am not enjoying? अरे वहाँ वो enjoy, यहाँ Krishna enjoy. मेरा क्या? मेरे को भी enjoy करना है. I also want to enjoy. So with that desire we came to this material world. And after coming to this material world, this is the story of our life. It starts with lust, greed, envy, anger, pride, illusion. These 6 anarthas, they keep us bound. Srila Prabhupada uses the word, what does he say? Yeah, he says that, we are Atmanan, self-satisfied, but in contact with matter, moment this body comes, all these problems start, right?